Hi, welcome to another video from Ramos & Sons Auto Body. Today we are prepping a bus to donate to the Muskegon Police. They're going to use it for what they call pop-up parties and just different things around the community. So you're going to see us buffing it out, taking the seats out, and yeah.
Well, Tina, what are you doing?
Buffing out the letters on the side here, making it look all pretty.
There you go.
Nice and neat.
Buff it out, make it look good. Chulo,
Yeah.
what are you guys doing?
Man, we gotta take these seats out, man.
And then what?
I don't know.
Clean it up, get it ready?
Yeah, clean it up.
All right. Do you have any idea why we're doing this? Or who
No.
it's for?
No, at least they
Yeah, that's a good way to do it.
police.
Yeah, the police department.
Oh.
They're going to do what's called pop-up parties. And so they're going to redo the interior of the van. And they're going to redo the exterior and put up some pretty cool stuff on it. So that's what we're doing. Let's get this done, and we got to get it delivered for the police department.
Alright.
So maybe this will get you one of those get out of jail, Chulo. Maybe this will get you one of those get out of jail cards.
I'll take it. How about you, Dylan?
I can help you. He can do whatever
Can
he
show
wants.
you the way. A way.
CC, senor. CC. Face
down
shields?
here.
Those probably are.
These are too big.
Those probably for the sandblaster.
Oh wait, no, I think number 19 works.
Look at the camera too.
Those are for the I hate negritos. Wait, huh? Hey, here's the key.
Always wear safety glasses before you do anything. Just ignore the 30 minutes. Sharps. It still doesn't matter. The metal shards still hurt in the face.
You don't fit in the frame, homie. Hey, yo, you got a smaller one of this too? What you using, Alex? Huh? Which one are you using?
Using.
Let me see that one.
¿Dónde está la música? She's still not ready.
Amiga?
Oh,
Hey, Pancho, come sit on this.
¿dónde está la música?
Say less. I was sure my honey going after this.
Good job.